Amber, Merry Christmas!
It's for you.
What is that? Is that Amber's bike? Who brought that for you?
Santa.
Yeah. No, it's got training wheels. Do you want to sit on it? Can you move it for her? You want to try and sit on it?
It's going to be hard doing it with this bow. Like we could keep the bow but snip it to here.
Amber, do you want to sit on it?
Yeah. And it won't fall.
You can move away from the present.
No. I'll hold it.
You want to try it later? Okay. Did you see there's other stuff here? There's other new stuff from Santa.
When are we gonna open presents?
Just a few minutes. Are you excited?
I open?
Yeah, we'll start opening in just a minute. Merry Christmas.